Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you'll always be fine and alright in many conditions. My name is Nessa Putri Salsabila, or you can call me Nessa, from 3D class Sriwijaya State of Polytechnic. My study program is Telecommunication Engineering.
It's the end of the month and the weekend. I'ma spend this track, everything on me, yeah.
Today, I've given a big chance to give you a present career from my study program. So, it's a railway electrical technology. It's only placed in a railway station or railway company because which all we know as PT KAI in Indonesia. Telecommunication engineering has a large range career in railway company, such as railway electrical system, rail station controller, and monitor the movement railway traffic, and etc. There's a lot of career that allowed as telecommunication engineering. So, some electric traction systems provide regenerative braking that turns the train's kinetic energy back into electricity and returns it to the supply system to be used by other trains or the general utility grid. While diesel locomotives burn petroleum products, electricity can be generated from diverse sources, including renewable energy. This job can be salary by 9 million rupees per month, the newest information 2021. Well done about my presentation about career of telecommunication engineering. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye.
Twerking, when I buy the things I like. Dollars dropping on my ass tonight.